Okay, so yes, we were discussing Lewis dot structure. In this, we were discussing a trick where we can identify in very easy, like the easy pattern which I could tell you, and I found it very interesting, so I'm discussing with you. So let's get started. The first step was that count valence electron. When you count electron, your first step will be clear. Then second step tells that identify which is the central atom. You need to identify which you can consider. If I've taken an example of CO2, so we have carbon and oxygen. So how you will identify which atom should be placed first? Let me tell you one more important point here, that hydrogen can never be a central atom. Never be central atom. So I'm sure you know, like, this is so common. Have you ever seen that the hydrogen is here and carbon is attached on their side? I never seen that before. Just because hydrogen has only like single electron, this only complete it two electron share, like two electron. We don't get the two air sequence of the electron subshells, but this only complete two because this has the only one. Even still, it need one more. So hydrogen can never be used in a central atom. So hydrogen center is impossible. Okay, so we need to make sure that we never use hydrogen the center to make any, not even the Lewis dot structure, but any bond you see, you will never ever see the bond, like the bond of having this. Third step is draw a skeleton which is joined by a single bond. So a skeleton simply means if I made a carbon, I will attach this with the oxygen. Okay, I'll attach this with the oxygen and this with the skeleton. Like I've given a structure, simple. Then the fourth step was that assigning the remaining number of electron in a lone pair. Okay, so how, if this the carbon, I made this oxygen, this is also an oxygen. So we need to know that uh, one bond make have two electron. One bond have two electrons. So if this the one bond, these represent two electron. If this the one bond, this represent electron. Like the two electron, one bond have two electron. That is very clear. You need to like have this in your mind always. Okay, so 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. How did I write this? So let me just erase this to make you understand much better. Okay, so here with the carbon, here with the oxygen. 16 we got the, like we are discussing CO2. CO2 we got valence electron like 4 plus 6. 6 was multiplied by 2 because we O2 simply means we 6 multiplied 2. Then we found this value 16. Then 16 minus 4, 4 here is this bond just because 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here. So 2 plus 2, 4. So when you minus 16 minus 4, you will find 12. So this means still there is 12 electrons which are remaining. So you need to give a bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are there. So oxygen have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 2 these. Like 2 this one and 2 this one. So this was the fourth step which we could discuss. So last step is converting that pair into double or triple bond, double or triple form. Let me just write it. Converting into double or triple form. Or triple form. What does this mean? This simply means if I made this bond and this bond